So earlier, Samsung wowed everyone with the release of the Galaxy S20 series. It includes this phone, the Galaxy S20 Ultra. But for me, the real highlight of the event earlier is this device. As you can see, it is a device that looks like the Motorola Razr of the past, but it has a full screen design when you open it. Yes, guys, this is it. This is the second foldable smartphone of Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. As you can see, it has a secondary display here. I believe it is a little bit over 1 inch, this display, and it can display time and maybe calls. You get a dual camera setup here, and then it is not as thick as the other foldable phone of Samsung before, and I like that it has this really nice hinge here, and I feel that this is a more refined type of foldable device than the Galaxy Fold. And I think even if this is not a super flagship device, Samsung did a better job with its foldable design here. So anyway, without any further ado, this is our first look with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, this device is basically targeted mostly for the ladies. When fully opened, it is a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display, and it's beautiful. It's nice, and there's a crease here in the middle, as you can see, but it isn't super noticeable. It is still quite acceptable for me. And what I like here is its very portable design. It's pocketable and really enjoyable. I believe it also has a feature that you can use it even if it is closed. It can still take photos even if it is closed. But even if it is not closed, it's still okay. You can still take photos. For example, here, this is the selfie camera. It has a selfie camera here in the middle, like the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. And I find it actually okay. It's a 10 MP sensor. It has this usual Samsung controls. At the back, you get a pair of 12 megapixel sensors. The secondary sensor is an ultra wide lens, and of course it can allow you to do up to 8 times zoom. It doesn't have the super zoom of the S20 Plus series, but that's okay. This phone is primarily designed for those who really want to experience a new form factor of a smartphone. This is actually the trend, the next trend. Most will really do devices like this. I miss this. I miss a foldable phone that flips. It might sound redundant, but yeah, this is a foldable phone that flips. Anyway, the specs, as mentioned earlier, it isn't super flagship grade, but at least it still has the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. It doesn't have 5G yet. This is only a 4G version. The cost is not final yet. I will update you guys, of course, but expect this to be available in the Philippines soon. They actually have the launch date already. I will put it in the description later. I will just confirm the exact dates. So guys, that's it. This is our first look to Samsung's second foldable device, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. This is also known as this Galaxy Bloom. I think that is its code name. That is the code name of this device. And it is marketed more for the ladies, as it looks like a makeup kit. It's beautiful. I like it. This could be the phone that will really sell a lot for Samsung. At least it won't be as expensive as the first Galaxy Fold, and it won't be that big and that thick and that long. Again, this is me, Peter of GIZGUIDEPH.com. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. I hope you like our quick look of the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Bye-bye!